All right, tonight we are up late. It's past my bedtime because we are at AGORA Path of Light. So before you journey on over from the gondola, there's a few things to set yourself up for success. One, it is dark out. If you're like me and your night vision is not so handy, you should have flashlights with you. So a handy little one, or if you want to channel your old prospector with a lantern, either one will help you get to and from AGORA a little bit easier. AGORA runs rain or shine, so dress for the weather. It is sweater weather, guys. Get those knits out, get those scarves, carry those PSLs. This is the time to embrace fall fashion. I did say it runs rain or shine, a trusty umbrella, which, We started in the village, we rode up the gondola, we walked through the dark path. Now we're at the start of AGORA. It is an interactive light trail, so don't rush through it in 15 minutes. Take the time. There are 6 stops along the way. Remember what it was like to be a kid filled with wonder and joy. Stop, clap your hands, read the signs, howl at the moon. Really embrace speaking to the forest. Lastly, the gondola is a hard stop, so make sure you hit that gondola before the last cart.